Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how we can integrate Zillow with Podio. Zillow is the service that is used to pull the property information. So when I'll give you an example, then you will better understand it. In my flow, I have called the Zillow API when I update the item. So right now I'm just creating an item without any information, right? And in the property address field here, I have set the flow. So whenever I put the address here, it pulls the information from Zillow API and set everything here: bedroom, bathroom, here, built, square feet, lot size. So I'm gonna update the property address right now. So on this address I'm going to test it. So it has made the Zillow API call, and it has got all the information about that property: lot, square footage, bedroom, bathrooms, estimate, text assessment, year built, everything. And it has also updated the fields as well, you can see. So this is the power of Zillow. You don't have to look anywhere for the property information. You just have to make an API call and it will give you all the results, right? So this is how the flow works. So here is the flow. As I said, I have made the flow on property address updation, and here is the API call. So it fetches all the information: bedroom, bathroom, square feet, and once you got all the information, you can then update the fields accordingly. So this is how Podio and Zillow works together. If you want a system something like this, or you are stuck anywhere, just let me know. I would be happy to assist you. Thank you.